Hi friends, let me show you this mini chainsaw that I received for reviewing purposes with a power source, with a battery, okay? Let me show you. This is the battery. Let's get the accessories. Okay. You get an extra saw chain, a replacement, accessories to clean the main unit, and some oil also to the maintenance of the main unit, okay? These are the accessories you get, and you also get these safety glasses when you are going to use it, okay? Really important to use them. Perfect, okay. You get the user manual and the main saw, okay? You can see it has a protection here. And this is the main chainsaw, okay? It has a lock here, okay? And this is the place to put the oil. You put the battery and you get the battery level here, okay? You are ready to use it. As you can see, we're ready to use it. We're going to cut this branch of this tree. How easy and fast it is. It's a great, nice chainsaw that you can use in your home, in your patio, in your lawn. Great for keeping your trees, your bushes, your garden pretty. Thank you.